Do you use Windows Calculator often? Pinning it to your taskbar lets you open it with a single click, making it much faster to access whenever you need it. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to pin Windows Calculator to the taskbar in 2026. First, click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu, where you can search for installed apps. Type Calculator into the search box. Windows will display the Calculator app in the search results almost instantly. Right-click the Calculator app and select Pin to Taskbar. Yeah, the Calculator icon will immediately appear on your taskbar, giving you one-click access. Now simply click the Calculator icon on the taskbar whenever you need it. I mean, you no longer have to search for the app every time. If you want quicker access, click and drag the Calculator icon to your preferred position on the taskbar. Placing it near your most used apps can improve your workflow. If you ever decide you no longer want Calculator on the taskbar, simply right-click the icon and choose Unpin from Taskbar. This removes only the shortcut. The Calculator app remains installed on your computer, and that's how to pin Windows Calculator to the taskbar in 2026. Keeping Calculator just one click away makes everyday calculations faster and more convenient while you work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.